Here we are, North River Falls in Nova Scotia. Now what's North River Falls known for? Well, take a look at this. Take a look at this. That's the waterfall. We're a good distance away. It's 100 feet high. The biggest waterfall in Nova Scotia. That's what we're checking out today. Here we are, Cape Breton. We're gonna look at some waterfalls, and the waterfall we're heading to right now is Macintosh Brook Falls. Now this is close to the site where, let's see, this is close to the site where a couple years ago there was a lady out running and she was attacked by coyotes. Alright, so we're coming up to the waterfall now. We can just start to hear it. Sounds magnificent. Alright, so next up is Buccal Act Fan Falls. Short drive down the street from the last one, and it sounds like it's really close to the parking lot.
12 seconds later.
So this waterfall is really based on a seasonal change in the water flow. So as you can see right now, there's not much water happening, but in the late fall, early spring, it would look phenomenal. That's probably why I haven't visited here before, because I know I've been told that this waterfall really varies depending on the time of season, but it's still a pretty cool spot, and it's only like a 30-second walk in, so it's a pretty simple one. Falls is about 5-6 kilometers off the highway or the Cabot Trail Road, and then it's about 200 meters from the parking lot to Marianne Falls, and it's raining today, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I know I'm probably not going to get as much footage, but Marianne Falls is definitely a very popular spot, a very easy waterfall to get to. Island Bridge is behind me, and we have two waterfalls here. One which is up past these bushes, and then there's another one which is down here, which you can't really see. Let me brighten this up. Which is down there, and in there there's another waterfall, but we're gonna go check out the one up top because I believe it's more spectacular than the one down below. So let's go check out this waterfall. So just outside of Sydney, off the Seal Island Bridge, there's this beautiful waterfall. It's a little bit of a trek up a steep hill and then down a steep hill, but you know what? It's gorgeous. Now, my timing's off a bit because it's still downpouring. It's picked up since I get in here. But you know what? It's just a beautiful waterfall, very close to Sydney. falls here is near Breton. I'm pretty sure I've been here before, but I can't 100% remember. But we're gonna go check it out. If only I can find the pathway in. Alright, so you can see the trail is pretty good. It's about 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers in from the parking lot. And it's a really nice fall hike. Little girls, little girls, so that was absolutely incredible. That waterfall was just superb. And well, I got some great shots of, I don't remember which way to go. I think this way. I got some great shots of that waterfall. Got a 360 video. I'll put a link to the 360 video and you can check it out on YouTube. And yeah, it was excellent shots. Alright, so we're at the start of the hike to get to North River Falls, and you can just hear back there, right behind me, sounds like there's another waterfall down there. It might be rapid. And if I had cell phone coverage, I could look at it and determine what the heck it is. But yeah, maybe for another day. North River Falls. The biggest waterfall in Nova Scotia also carries the same name, North River Falls. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately, there's two different versions of North River Falls. There's a small one and a big one. So obviously, we're at the small one. Now, the big one, it's a 3-hour hike in, 3 to 4 hour hike in, 3 to 4 hour hike back. And unfortunately, I don't have 8.5 hours today to do that hike. But there is a guy that has a 4-wheeler up the street and he likes to use it. So I'm hoping, Darren, call me, please. Please have a little patience with me. Baby, please. Please have a little patience with me. Alright, so hiking back, the rapids at the very first, or the waterfall. It sounds like it's actually a waterfall. It just sounds like it's probably a narrow one, which is why all the sound is being created there. So chances are it's probably just a small waterfall. Anyway, it's something to investigate on the Google Maps. Please have a little patience with me. Ready to head out here to North River Falls. I'm told to prepare for snow because the weather conditions on the mountain is quite different than the weather conditions down here. So I'm gonna pack everything. It might rain. Pack everything, get it all plastic bags, and wear my full attire. So let's get going. So much faster than more. Look at this right here. That's the biggest waterfall in Nova Scotia, and it's a long hike to get here, or you can take otherwise, but that's the biggest waterfall in Nova Scotia, over 100 feet in height. It's absolutely incredible. I'm not 100% sure how to get down there, and I'm not even sure if I did, if we have the time, because it's going to require a long hike that way. But here we are, Nova Scotia, North River Falls.
So much faster than more. So much faster than more. Little girls, faster than more.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun filming it, and at the end of the day I hope you like it, so please hit the like or thumbs up button, and if you enjoyed it, give me a like or give me a subscribe. It'd be muchly appreciated. I appreciate all my subscribers and my likers, so thanks so much, and hope you have a great day.